Hi everyone, welcome to Shamel Studio. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to export your schedule from Shamel Studio to Movie Magic Scheduling. Navigate to your schedule, click on Reports and MMS Exports. Click on Download to download your .sex file, and now open Movie Magic Scheduling. This applies to both versions, the legacy and the new version. Start a new schedule from your favorite template. Go to File, click on Import, click Yes, and then change the file format to be .sex. Let's find the file we just downloaded from Shamel Studio and then click on import. It will take a few seconds to import all the scenes, including synopsis, elements, and other details. Let's go and open our stripboard here. We'll find that it's empty with one scene. Let's delete this scene, click OK, and then click on Boneyard. You'll find all your scenes here. Select all by pressing Command A or Control A and move these scenes to stripboard. Now you'll find your scenes with all the different details. Let's go and check a few scenes. And now we have our scenes with the set, the length, the day, and some elements as well. And we can check our scenes like that. If you need any support, please feel free to reach out to us at Shamel Studio. Thank you.